Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Angel. Sorry. And this is a relationship reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into my readings, honey. And even if it is resonating 100% with you, this is not your personal reading. Just take the messages as the guidance for your situation and move on. Whatever actions or decisions you guys are going to make based on my readings is not my responsibility or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Cancer. Let's see. Okay, the lover. Somebody here is feeling a lot of love towards you, lot of infatuation, attraction is also there. So it's like every kind of love that somebody can feel towards someone. But there is other person or other energy also in the mix. They have to make a choice or decision between you and somebody else, or maybe between you and something else, if not someone else. Okay, let's clarify the lovers has their feelings for you, Cancer. So we have the Nine of Wands and King of Cups and the Five of Cups. Okay, so this person is feeling like okay, I'm getting two scenarios here. This person is feeling like even if they are in love with you, there is a lot of blockages and challenges on the way, and they can't reach to you. This is not possible. This is not going to be possible between you and them. And they're very disappointed over the fact that even if they have so much love for you, so many feelings for you, they can't be with you. And for that, the reason can be that you are with someone else, or you are dealing with someone else, and somebody is falling for you. Okay, or they are with someone else where they are not happy and they're falling for you. Whatever the case may be, even if there is no one else in the situation in the mix from either side, this person is feeling like they should keep their emotions to themselves, keep their feelings to themselves, because this is not going to happen between you and them for whatever reason. And they are very disappointed over the fact that they can't do anything about it. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? King of Cups. From your side, you feel a lot of love towards someone, right? There's a lot of love, there's a lot of respect, there are a lot of feelings, but you feel like keeping it to yourself. Okay, there's love from both the sides. So what's the problem here? What's the issue? Let's clarify the King of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Cancer. We have the Judgment and the Ten of Swords and the World card. What? You feel a lot of love towards somebody, but you are like, okay, this isn't this. There is an abrupt ending to a situation. What is happening? You're releasing a person or a situation that you really love, and you feel like this chapter is over, this deal is done, we are never going to see each other again, and this is it. What is happening? So if you love each other, why they are feeling like there is nothing left in the situation, and why you are giving me this energy of, but this is over, I love them but this is over? What is happening here? There is abrupt energy of this is over. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Two of Pentacles. They are juggling. They just want to stop juggling. They just want to have a stable kind of energy. They just want to make one choice here, make one decision, or they want a stable kind of a dynamics. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles as their intentions here. Cancer. We have the Queen of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. What is happening, Cancer? This is so complicated. It's confusing the shit out of me as well. They just don't want to get hurt, and they just don't want to hurt you. Okay? That's why they just want to get out of this on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together kind of a dynamics between you and them. Enough of the hurting. You guys end up hurting each other again and again and again for whatever reason. Now they just want to stop this hurting game, and they just want to get out of this on and off, in and out kind of energy. So they want to make this choice or decision of letting this go, because this is hurting them, this is bothering you, and nothing good is coming out of it. So what's the use of being in the situation and hurting each other continuously? This is what their intentions are. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? The Chariot. From your side, you just want to be in this determination kind of energy of, I am going to keep moving forward no matter what, irrespective of whatever is happening or whatever is going to happen next. I am not going to stop moving forward for anything or anyone. That's it. Right. It's a very clear cut reading, but it's confusing the hell out of me, because there's a lot of love here, a lot of energy exchange between you guys. But you guys are like, okay, it's not happening. Goodbye. Maybe distance is the reason, biggest reason here. Let's clarify the Chariot as your intentions for this particular person or situation, Cancer. We have we have the High Priestess, the Five of Wands, Knight of Swords. You have your own reason. You're giving me this reason that, Anjali, if I'm going to keep myself stuck in the situation, it's going to be a lot of conflict, lot of drama, and I will never be able to understand what I want and what I don't want. I will never be able to understand how to proceed further. I will always be trapped in some kind of mental jail. So I don't want this, and want this drama in my life. I don't want to get like keep myself trapped in a situation where I know I'm not going to get anything good in return. So what's the use of even going in that direction? So you guys don't want any kind of drama, conflict, or chaos in your life. You don't want to get yourself trapped in a situation. That's why you guys just want to keep moving forward regardless of whatever is happening. So you guys, both of you are creating stories and scenarios in your head that might never happen actually, but you guys have lots of excuses to not to be together. Like, nope, we know it's going to be a shit show. So why to get involved in a shit show? Shit show. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 3rd of May 2026. Queen of Pentacles. It's like you guys making some kind of peace with a very grounded and mature kind of energy regarding a particular situation. Hmm? Let's clarify this Queen of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys. So we have the Seven of Wands, the Emperor, and the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, both of you guys are keeping yourselves in your own lanes. Both of you guys are going to be, being in this energy of protecting yourself from this situation, from this dynamics, not talking to each other, making this choice or decision of, okay, let's focus on our individual lives. Let's focus on our families. Let's focus on things that we have to focus on. so that we can be at peace. So you guys are going to finally make peace with this situation, that okay, this is the end and we can't change it, we can't do anything about it. So let's focus on the things that we have so that we can be at peace with our lives. None of you is budging in, none of you is saying anything to the other person here, none of you is doing anything about the situation, and you guys are making peace with the so-called truth and reality of the situation, that this is over. If one of you is married, that person is going to be like focused on their marriage, or one of you is going to decide to get settled or get married according to their families or parents wish. Take it out resonates with you. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer, for this situation. We have the 10 of wands, the knight of wands, the 4 of wands. Okay, I think this just for fun energy is not going well with you anymore. Now you want something solid, something long term, something committed. So if you're dropping something because of the on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together, because of the immaturity, or because of somebody not being able to give you the kind of stability that you want, then it's a good idea. Then you should just keep moving forward without looking back. Plus, make sure that you're not going to get yourself involved again in those kind of energies where you might get like just for fun kind of energies for some time, and later on it's going to convert into a shit show. You have learned your lesson multiple times, Cancer, but I think you are not getting it. So the blame is on you if you are going to get yourself involved again in those kind of situations where you are not going to, when you know you are not going to get anything good in return, right? And anything good here represents commitment, long term partnership, marriage, a solid relationship. Okay, so I think you get yourself involved in situations because you think might be this is the one for you, might be that is the one for you. But even if you start getting the red flags crystal clear on your face, you start ignoring them, and that leads to multiple series of shit shows. So this is your responsibility not to create any more shows in your life, and connect with only those kind of energies, those kind of situations where you know you are going to get something good in return, the way you want it, the way you deserve it. Okay. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate. Even if it resonates, like, okay, this portion also might or might not resonate. Yeah, okay, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the messages as the guidance for that particular situation. Message. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts. Give me 1 second. Now. Answer is reconsider. This card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.